Hello! In this video I will show you how I fired this beautiful brick in my new kiln made out of mud. The brick and some other stuff is already in the kiln. As you can see, I have some covers to keep the heat inside. I used some old tiles and a clay cover that I made myself. I'm using tiles because I've made only one of these so far. I'm about to put more wood into the kiln. Now it's time for a beer. I have some wood remains that I can use. Those tiles on top will crack. That's what the dog said. And I quickly realized that he was right. The tiles cracked. I was afraid that the temperature would drop, so I stopped firing. In the morning I went to see the condition of the things that I wanted to fire. I wanted to know if any of them had broken. I started to remove the tiles from the top, and I'm glad I put them because it was raining during night. The clay cover looks okay, so that's good news. Okay, we are about to find out. At first everything looked okay, but when I looked closer, I found that the brick has some cracks on it. I used my hands to break it in half. When I looked closely, I found even more cracks. When I put the brick into the water, I noticed bubbles coming out of the brick. This probably means that the brick was poorly made and there was some air inside. The good news is that the other stuff looked okay, although it wasn't fully fired because of the low temperature. I guess this one was pretty close. Let's listen to the sound. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Pięknie.